car gets 39 miles per gallon on average. How much carbon dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere when I drive 640 miles? Ooh, that should have a question mark on it. Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a pound. Okay, well, we know we're talking about carbon dioxide and we're talking about gasoline, right? Because you're driving, miles per gallon. So we know we're going to use the 19.8 pounds per 1 gallon. But we have other information. We've got miles and we've got MPGs. So if you have multiple pieces, right? We have 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. You're not really sure how they all fit. Sometimes it's easiest to work backwards because we know this one, the 19.8 pounds to over 1 gallon, that's what we're going to use last because we want pounds. That's the question. So I'm going to set this up where we actually work backwards. So we have the 19.8 pounds per 1 gallon of gas. Now, if you think about this, your goal is to have pounds all by itself. So you need to get rid of these gallons. Okay, so to do that, gallons is going to have to be on the top. Well, what do you know about gallons in your problem? Well, I know my car gets 39 miles per gallon. So here, this is the same as 1 gallon over 39 miles, right? It can kind of flip-flop because this is a conversion, right? Either way, we can work it. So I can use, 1 gallon of gas gets me 39 miles. Now that process right there makes my gallons go away. So now I still have pounds on the top, which is what I want, but you see I now have miles as the label in the denominator. That's not okay. So I have to now go and say, well, I need to get rid of miles. And the only other piece that we know is that we're driving 640 miles. So 640 miles to 1, because it's just miles. There's nothing to compare that to. So that piece makes my miles go away, and then you'll notice all I have is pounds in the numerator, which is exactly where I want it. So I multiply my 2 numbers in the top, divide by 39, and I end up with 324.92 pounds. Directions say round to the nearest tenth, 2 rounds down, so 324.9 pounds of CO2 is your final answer.